Skilletwell is a company that is focused on getting everyone upskilled and getting them to where they want to be in their lives.
There are two parts to Skilletwell. Two ways in Skilletwell helps kids, right? So some kids are born with the knowledge of what they want to do, right? But there are some kids like me. I didn't know what to do with my life. I just enjoyed. I was just chilling out, and then life just showed me some paths, and I took it, and it's still showing me paths. And Skilletwell is an example of where you can be guided.
Skilletwell basically gives you the opportunity to kind of explore courses and specializations that you are interested in. So instead of you focusing on, let's say, 4 years of doing a degree which covers a wide variety of topics, you could start off your career a bit more quickly by maybe specializing in a topic or a skill that you want.
The pace at which the things are changing and the technology is changing, not everyone is in a position, or not everyone is fortunate to have someone to guide them where to go and what to do. So the companies like this can really help. Change someone's career for good.
The world has changed, and the availability of information and courses through Skilletwell or otherwise, it's immense in today's world.
So I think Skilletwell gives you the up-to-date kind of ecosystem for learning, and you really, if you don't know what to learn, it's the place. If you know what to learn and want to know where you can learn, that is also then Skilletwell is the place.
At some point, you need somebody to tell you, to bring you to earth, right? To give you the reality of the path that you've chosen. So I think the product that Skilletwell has, where you take your online courses, that is very, very handy, especially when you're looking to understand a new field. So something like what Skilletwell is doing, where you offer the online courses, would be just perfect to upskill from where you are right now and go beyond.
Anyone out there, it's such an opportunity to find courses near you, find interest near you, or even to find what your next opportunity could be in terms of your personality. So it's just something that I'd use for sure if I had access to it and the need for it.
I think the other important thing about Skilletwell is that there's an emphasis on continuous learning.
Have a look at Skilletwell website. Take a look at the I think they have over 250 courses, 250 technical IT courses. If you fancy going and learning physically in front of a teacher, you can see those kind of courses as well on the website. And if you want to see online courses, I think a few of them are there as well.
Just go to their website, skilletwell.com, put in the skill that you want to learn, and they'll recommend the top providers of courses in that domain. And you can even do a trial class and try it out before you even have to pay.
And in India, definitely, like lot of the students, they lack of this professionalism, and before they get into a career or job or these interviews, it's really important that they are kind of someone give feedback to them on their communication skill, how they speak and everything. So a company like Skilletwell, if they go and someone who let's say someone from Skilletwell, the tutor, who are really experienced in that area, they can really give a constructive feedback to how they can improve and dictate the journey.
Evolve is outstanding because just the concept that you want, you're giving them a career roadmap that would just be very, very useful for any person graduating, or even I would say even someone who's currently in the industry. That would be very handy to assess, what you are doing. Are you stuck in a particular place? Do you want to go further from here? What can you do? I think that's very promising.
So it helps you understand what your immediate, next steps could be in your career, right? So in terms of consultation, in terms of career enhancements, or the next step to take in terms of your skills and your personality, it helps with that.
And I really wish someone was there or I was aware of these kind of platforms to go to and actually know the feedback, or what the people who are working on those job, what they feel and what are their recommendation.
Being aware that you don't know a lot, and being aware that if you don't know something, you can easily fix it and apply it to your job to make your job better, to be better, is an attitude that people need to have. And I think with tools like Skill It Well, they will be able to achieve those goals quite easily, hopefully.
So go ahead, try it out, and hope you get to where you want to be in your career soon.
So really, if you want to make a decision on what, how and where to learn and gain a skill, go to skillatwill.com.